Have you ever noticed that ChatGPT can sometimes sound a little too robotic, overly enthusiastic, or just completely missing the mark with its tone? Most people try to fix this by writing massive prompts, but there's a much easier way. ChatGPT includes built-in personalization settings that let you change how it communicates with you. Here's how to change your ChatGPT personality in under 2 minutes. First, click your profile icon and choose Settings. Next, open Personalization. At the top, you'll find the Base Style and Tone section. Opening it gives you 6 different communication styles. Professional keeps responses polished and precise, making it great for work, research, and formal writing. Friendly makes ChatGPT warmer and more conversational. Candid gives more direct, straightforward responses while still being helpful. Quirky adds a more playful and creative personality to replies. Efficient focuses on concise, no-frills answers, and cynical responds with a more skeptical, sarcastic tone. Below that, you'll find characteristics, where you can fine-tune ChatGPT's behavior even further. For example, if you want it to sound less like a cheerleader, set enthusiastic to less. If you don't like emojis in your responses, change emoji to less. You can also make ChatGPT warmer or less warm and adjust headers and lists depending on whether you prefer structured formatting or more natural paragraphs. If you want even more control, go back to the personalization page and open Custom Instructions. There you can tell ChatGPT exactly how you'd like it to communicate, what it should know about you, or any other preferences you'd like it to follow. The best part is that your changes are saved automatically, and they'll influence how ChatGPT responds in future conversations until you decide to change them again. Experiment with different combinations until you find the style that works best for you.